Hi, Kevin Murphy here. I wanted to tell you why I created the Shimmer Me Blonde. I wanted to create a repairing shine treatment especially for blonde hair. Because it's a leave-in treatment, the ingredients go on working for 24 hours, giving greater benefit to the hair. I looked at skin luminizers and found a mica crystal, often used as a concealer or for glowing highlights on the skin. The mica crystals act like hundreds of tiny little lavender and silver mirrors, reflecting light and giving hair a uniform shine. It contains 6 Australian fruit and bamboo extracts for shine and lustre, and a non-GMO soybean oil adding strength. We added babazu oil, rich in vitamin E and essential fatty acids to nourish and moisturise the hair shaft. The product can be applied to wet hair pre-blow dry, or it can be used as a finishing mist. So here are the final results of the Shimmer Me Blonde, glossy and radiant.